All right, I got this Pennington's grass seed. This is the 7-pound, 1,400 square foot bag. Came great, arrived safe, and the bag is small enough to easily store. You know, you're just gonna tear the top open here, but let me just show you what you get with this. This is what the grass seed looks like, and I'm gonna show you what I did in my yard and about 3 weeks of growth here. So this is my townhouse yard. It's about 40 foot that way, 20 foot across, so I don't have a whole ton of square footage, and I really didn't need it to cover the entire yard. I just needed it to build up some patches where I don't get a lot of sun. You can see it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I've got this giant cedar, this crepe myrtle here, and these cedar trees back here just blocking all the sunlight in the back of my yard. So what I did was I went around and put this stuff about 3 weeks ago in different patches. Now that it's starting to come in, I can see where I still need to apply some more. It's toward the end of the summer right now, so I'm gonna need to put some more down today, which I'm gonna do. This is the part that was really bad right here. I get no sun here, and there's a lot of moss was starting to grow here, so I threw this down, and you can see right here where it's starting to grow in after about 3 weeks. I've got some weeds back there covering it up, but it's coming in better than I expected with relatively no sunlight. I think you need 4 to 6 hours a day with this, but I'm not getting that at all, and it's still coming up decent. I've tried some other stuff. Didn't work very well, but this seems to be working good. So I'm going to throw some more down here and we'll see how it looks. I've let it grow. They say not to cut it until it's 3 inches, so I've let it go. And the spots where I do get sunlight and I put this, it came in really well. So pretty happy with this. So there you go, Pennington's grass seed. I like it.